looking. Beautiful and shiny, eh?
Yeah. As clean as it could be.
No, that's the trouble though, isn't it? Shit.
Just about to rock over 12,000 K though.
Yeah. I'm trying to work out where to put the camera.
Right.
That's the problem. Because I had it down there, which was good, but then I was on the wrong side of that. Try and get some good stuff. It looks like there's some nice bikes here anyway.
Blenheim.
Mm.
It's fucking 60 on those long bars.
Go fast, boys.
Good day for it.
Oh, beautiful.
Beautiful day for it.
Yeah, can't beat the weather. Caffeine fix sorted. I'll leave Flatrock Cafe and heading on down the Motueka River. See where the road takes us. Gotta stop and get this old building on camera before it falls down. They bloody tend to do. Dave will figure it out. He'll be back. I'll give a shot. Dave come back to us. So it'll work out alright. And then got to get this inner lining out of my damn jacket. Look at this. It's fantastic. This is an old hotel. Look at that. Beautiful. Where's he gone? And then this house here has been getting built for literally for years. They've been building this. Come on, Dave. Spin around. Amazing. Hotel, house, little farm. Right to the pub. Good. Lean on the Indian. You want to go in front? You're going to come behind. Whatever. Okay. It's tall, mate. She's a big pony. That way. Yeah, it does, doesn't it? It's chalk and cheese, really, isn't it?
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything feelings, I'ma be fine. Need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got